toxicity. To understand the safety of drug, we have to understand toxicity. So toxic dose, as you know, the drug became poisonous, and lethal dose, drug dose causing death. So from the graph is normal dose, then you get toxic dose, then you get lethal dose, then you get death. As you increase in dose, from normal dose it increases, it goes into toxic dose, then it goes into lethal dose, then still you increase it, it goes to death, death of patient. So now let's connect these two, three things together. What are the words we read? We read about medium effective dose or ED50, then toxic dose and lethal dose. Now in this concept, can I add the similar concept here, population concept? Again, this toxic dose, maybe for the dose that I will die, maybe you can survive. Maybe for the dose that you will survive. So technically, there's an individual variation. For a dose that I can die, maybe Vikas can survive, and maybe nothing happens to Atmajita. So we all have a different body mechanism. There's a variation inside us. So again, we can put it at population level, TD50. Now this concept is clear. I don't need to go to detail to explain it. It's the toxic dose for 50% population. Maybe I may not die at this there may be no toxicity to me at this dose, or maybe I may die at this dose. We are not talking of individual variation, we are talking